Umitim yung dito sa taas.
Oh, sa taas.
Parang sa may taas ng usok. Tapos may nakita akong dwarf nasa gitna. Kinulong muna siya sa pinaka-center. Tapos nakita ko yung 7 colors na nakaikot dun sa kanyang
doon sa edit na yun.
Tapos yung 7 ganun, gumagano'n yung kusina. Pataas.
Then hanggang sa nalusaw yung...
Hanggang sa nawala yung nasa gitna. Yung dwarf.
This kind of energy, where there is balance, no, influences the energy of the body. Siyempre, no? And therefore, it can work on the etheric level, on the energy level. And because before something becomes physical, it first must start on the energy field. So, ang balancing ng energy field will go down to the physical later on. Kaya yan nakakapag-heal.
But meron siyang kind of electric. May ano siya, may kuryente. At
may ground eh.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kinunik mo dito, pero meron starseed energy siya eh.
Oh, yeah.
May starseed energy.
May ground siya. Siya para may kuryente.
So, malakas yung...
Starseed meaning from galactic beings.
Galactic beings.
Para siyang magnet. Ayun o. Napifeel ko. Parang napupush siya. Mas iba to dun sa dating Guardian mo.
So, mas improve yung power. No?
Mas parang upgraded.
Upgraded yung power.
Parang mas upgraded siya. Tisa, ang layo na napipil ko pa rin ang layo na. Ayan, ang layo na. Kahit ilayo ko pa yata, napifil ko. Yung dati, gumagano na, sumasabog yung liwanag eh. Pero ito, ang layo na.
Gabi ng Misteryo.
Ito tinatawag na positive magnetic energy na yan. Dapat ito naman Raya, hindi ko ginagalaw.
Yes.
By itself, it is changing the movement. This is negative electric. Ayan. Hindi ganito movement nung kanina. Did you notice?
Yes.
This is a different energy configuration. Okay to. Ang lakas.
So, yung pong mga sinasabi na it could heal the body or...
this kind of energy, where there is balance, no, influences the energy of the body. Siyempre, no? And therefore, it can work on the etheric level, on the energy level. And because before something becomes physical, it first must start on the energy field. So, ang balancing ng energy field will go down to the physical later on. Kaya yan nakakapag-heal.
Yung kaninang nakikita kong kulay, nasa loob pa eh. Ngayon, yung nakikita ko ng kulay, lumabas na. Ang galing pala, iikot siya muna sa loob. Tapos lalabas na sila.
So sa bawat Guardian na yan?
More on blue, more on peach to. Pero naghalo-halong kulay. Nagsimula sila sa loob ganyan. Tapos ngayon, pasabog na. Dito talaga iba green siya
So parang nag-i-scan siya, no?
Tapos dito bluish. Tapos dito pinkish. Nagtatlong kulay siya pero pag umiikot yung kulay na parang naghalo-halo.
So ano yung energy niya? Parang
ano siya maganda, maliwanag. Hindi siya baka tulad bluish. Yung pagka-blue na hindi blue. Tapos yung green dito, hindi siya green na green. Kasi nahahaluan siya ng ibang kulay. May dilaw to. Tapos to may konting naghalo yung kulay pink, naghalo yung iba siya.
Dito sa malaki, ano nakita mo naman dyan? Ayan.
Ito mas kargado to. Umitim yung dito sa taas.
Sa taas.
Parang sa may taas ng usok. Tapos may nakita akong dwarf nasa gitna. Kinulong muna siya sa pinaka-center. Tapos nakita ko yung 7 colors na nakaikot dun sa kanyang
doon sa edit na yun.
Tapos yung 7 ganun, gumagano'n yung kusina. Pataas.
Then hanggang sa nalusaw yung...
Hanggang sa nawala yung nasa gitna. Yung dwarf. Nakita ko.
Anong kulay ng dwarf?
Medyo ano siya eh. Medyo maitim.
Medyo bad. Talagang bad. Black talaga.
Gabi ng Misteryo.
Mga kamisteryo, meron tayong planetary alignment. 6 planets are aligned right now. turn ng ating program Gabi ng Misteryo. May message na sinabi sa atin ating mga angelic guides, mga divine beings. It's about time to use again the power of the Guardian Diamond Crystals. Actually, na-activate ito noon pa, nawala lang for a couple of years, since 2012. I think tumagal dito hanggang 2015. Now, we are reviving it with the blessings of the archangels, divine beings, galactic beings, and of course, especially from Master Jesus Christ, and from those in the higher dimensions. Why Guardian? Because these crystals are programmed to protect everyone, to heal everyone, to give wisdom to everyone, and it will be charged with the divine energies based on the channeling of energies that I will do every time I channel the energies from heavens to these crystals. Now, here we go. Tonight, hiningi ko rin yung messages from archangels. Actually, hindi ako nag-channel, but I channeled the wisdom through the angel cards. And here we go. Itong ginawa natin. So, ito yung mga crystals initially. Ito yung mga crystals natin. The Misteryo Guardian crystals. Ayan. Paprogram ko pa lang ito using my technique of programming the crystal. Dun sa mga nakakuha na rin dati, I know nandiyan pa rin yung mga crystal ninyo. Ang gawin lang ninyo is to lagi lang hugasan, then always project energy, pwede mag-pray and ask for the energies to recharge. Magre-recharge naman yun automatically. Now, here we go. Yung mga bumunot ako ng tatlong cards here from the deck of the Angel Flower Tarot cards. At ito yung mga lumabas. Unahin ko muna to. Ito yung una kong binunot. Ano nakalagay dito? Ano nakalagay dito? So this is 3 of Gabriel. Prosperity arising from wise planning. Time to take the next step. Optimistic plans that turn out as expected. So yun. So these crystals, mga crystals ito can be used for prosperity. Of course, the good advice is from wise planning. Ayan. And huwag titigil sa goal ninyo sa buhay. Just keep believing that you can achieve your goal in life and be optimistic. Magandang bagay ito ngayon, lalo na ngayon may planetary alignment. Now, the next card here is 4 of Gabriel. 4 of Gabriel. Ganda ng picture. Galing oh. Andali, balikan ko lang yung picture ng 3 of Gabriel. So, 3, divine number, diba? Is the name of the Father, Son, the Holy Spirit, diba? Divinity or Trinity. Here is the 4 Gabriel. 4 stands for perfect square, diba? The completion of 4 sides, 4 corners of the earth, north, south, east, west. Now the message here is time for a celebration, abundant rewards for hard work. Release yourself from burdensome situations. So these crystals, the Mysterio Guardian crystals, can be used for this purpose. Alright. Okay. So, yan ang magiging i-channel nating energy tonight sa planetary alignment na to. Alright. And the third card, very exciting to. An amazing card. Very powerful, from 6 of Michael. Wow. The picture of Saint Michael here. Now the message here is, it's the light at the end of the tunnel. Breathe a sigh of relief and make new plans, relocation or travel. So what this message means, so meaning there is always hope in our lives, whatever life we are now experiencing, and we should always be breathing some air, right, to make ourselves live again and again. Don't get tired, just keep on living and make new plans. Sabi niya rito, make new plans. So meaning, if you stumble to a very hard situation, so you have to breathe again, then make new plans to have a good fortune, relocation or travel, which means wag lang kayo mag-stay sa isang lugar. Move around and so try to find solutions to mga problems, and that's it. You will achieve at the end of the tunnel, you will see the light. And considering this card is from Archangel Michael. Now, program ko na itong initial lang po ito na nakuha natin. It's 4, 6, 8 Mysterio Guardian crystals. If you like this, just PM me. Ano na naman to, kayang-kaya. Diba? Alright. Pwede nyo magamit to for healing, for protection, for programming ng inyong goal. Alright. So that's it. Ito yung ating mga Mysterio Guardian crystals. So ni-reactivate natin as per our divine being guides to help people around for healing. Kasi this year, well, there are many challenges, but I think makakatulong to all of us. Just believe, and wala namang masama na maniwala, because we believe that the divine beings, our God, Master JC, is always there guiding us. Kasama na yung mga archangels, divine beings, mga galactic beings. Alright? So, see you. Encounters, mga sightings ito. Ito ba'y palatandaan na talagang malapit na? Mga experience, so meron kayong sightings ng mga UFO. Higher beings, especially to the universe you call God.
Innumerable company of angels
beyond human comprehension.
The propulsion system.
Gabi ng Misteryo.